happened to Mama's hair? It's small. Look, it's short. What happened to Mama's hair?
Oh, it's broken already.
It's
broken already.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm hair.
Kudak ko na yung tanawin tayo. Kamera.
Sharia!
Tungod na sa imong sanina, te.
Ayaw lang i-apil akong lawas.
Wala, imo rang ulo. Layo.
Lord, hindi naman ako magmahal.
Mama, today's para.
Ha? Kapara ako imong basulon.
Oh my God!
Karon ra man na, oy, mutubo ra man sa gihapon na.
Dunga mo ko eh. Ang kalbahan ko. Lord. Oh my God.
Mutubo ra man na, oy.
Sure, dyan ko, ani. Di mo sa dakong photo na ikawan.
Wala.
Oh my God, asan mo? Oh my God. Ay!
Murag.
Bahala na sila. Ay, Lord! Hala, nakot na ako siya.
Hala!
Hala! Nipis-nipis naman din siya tanawang. Baga man di ay.
Xoxo!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Hala! Abay man ako, nipis na siya. Baga man di kayo siya.
Tumubuan na.
Oh my God!
Hala!
Hala!
Wala siya natupo.
Pero na yun.
Loy hair. Loy hair, mama.
Loy hair, Mama.
Yeah.
It's small. Look at Mama's hair. It's small. Small na hair,
Luoy hair, mama.
Next.
Luoy hair? Luoy hair?
Yeah.
That's my straw.
Tupo?
If it's tupo or not. I don't know.
Mama, mama,
Oh my God.
mama, mama.
Yes, love. What happened? Tugan man day kayo.
Hey.
Excuse me, baby. Thank you. Oh my God. Look at Mama's hair. Can't fix it. Yeah, Mama can't fix it anymore. Look. Look at Mama's hair. Ay, tupo nga siya, Day. Look at Mama's hair. What happened to Mama's hair? It's small. Look, it's short. What happened to Mama's hair?
Oh, it's broken already.
It's broken already.
Yeah.
Are you happy with Mama's short hair?
Yeah.
You are? What should we do with this hair?
Yeah.
What should you do with this hair? Are you gonna wear this?
Yeah.
A wig? Look.
Oh, yun lagi siya blonde hair.
Oh my God! Let's try it. Let's try it, baby. Let's try it. Let's try it.
Ngayon
It's
siya
like
blonde
your hair extension.
Ngayon siya blonde hair.
Oh my God! This is my hair. Nipis siya tanawon pero ini kinig putol is bagat dahil siya. So dugay kayo ng umano.
What?
This is the moment of truth. Oh my.
Hey, today we're the Dada!
Love, look at Mama. What happened to Mama's hair? What happened to Mama's hair?
Thank you, happy Mama.
Oh my God! Ganahan ko. Nalipay ko.
Uy, that's my cell phone.
Uy, that's Mama's that's Ate's cell phone. Bro, na siya yung part na kailangan siya i-trim. Oh my God, I feel so new. Oh.